Output feedback of a scalar system. We consider a simple system with one input, one output, and one state. We have to propose a feedback controller uh, where all poles of the closed loop system are equal to -1. Of course, since we have a scalar system, one state equation, one state variable, I will have only one pole. And I also want that the set point correspond to x. So I want to control x. I have a system of the form x dot equal 3x plus 2u and y equal 4x. I have one input u, one output y, and I want to have an output feedback controller. So I have no state available, x is not available, and I have this. So the controller produce also x, u, like this, knows u, and knows also w. So the controller corresponds to this. This is the controller. This is the closed loop system. And moreover, I want that when w is equal to say 5, then I want that x, the value of x, converge to 5. So I give a signification to the set point. W is a set point and corresponds to x. In some other situation, I would have been able to have y corresponding to w. So if I want sometime to control y, here I want to control x. I will apply the KLH procedure, so that is recalled here, given here, which will give me the controller. So for the step one, I have to solve to place to solve this equation. So here I have I assume that I have no Python or MATLAB or any other computer, and I will have to compute by hand. So for this, I should solve the characteristic polynomial determinant of s I minus a plus bk is equal to s plus 1. Why? Because I want a root equal to -1. So this is the desired polynomial with a root equal to -1 as required by the exercise, and this is the unknown. So I have to solve the determinant of, so here it is scalar, so it will be s minus 3 because a equal to 3 plus 2k because b is equal to 2 should be equal to s plus 1. The determinant of a scalar is itself. This is why I want to solve s minus 3 plus 2k equal s plus 1. I have a simplification by s, and I obtain k equal to 2. I do the same for placing this one. So I have to solve this first point, second point, determinant of s, so s minus 3 plus 4l should be equal also to s plus 1. And if I solve this, I will obtain L equal to 1. Okay. Now I have to solve this. So for E, since I want to control X, so I want W equal to X, I will choose U E equal to 1. In case I want to control Y, I would have taken E equal to 4. Okay, so here I take this. This is why second step, H equal, so I will apply the formula, minus E A minus B K minus 1 B minus 1. So here it corresponds to minus 1 inverse, so due to this and this. So E equal to 1 multiplied by A equal to 3 minus 2 for B, 2 for K, minus 1 due to this, okay, and 2 for B. And if I compute this, I obtain this. So H is equal to 1 divided by 2. As a consequence, I take this, and the controller I want to compute is this. Okay, so now I know the values for L and for K, and X hat is also scalar, and the controller is given by the following state equation. So X hat dot, due to this, is equal to A minus BK minus LC. So I know the values for all of them, and I obtain 5x hat plus BHW, so here plus W, plus Ly, L equal to 1, so plus Y, and U equal, so minus K x hat, so K equal to 2, so it's minus 2 x hat, plus HW, so it will be half of W. So this system has an input Y, the other input is W, and the output of this controller is U. So it corresponds to what I have represented here. Question number 2. Give the state equation of the closed loop system and what are the poles of the closed loop system. So it was my system, and recall that I have now two systems. The system to be controlled, so this one, with an output Y and an input U. Here, this is the controller with a W, the set point, and here U. This is the closed loop system, which normally is stable. So if I want to compute the state equation of this system, I will have here x dot. So the state is x and x dot, and I have to compute the derivative of, the state is x and x hat, and I compute their derivative with respect to x and x hat. So I will obtain here for x 3x plus 2u, but u is this, so here I will have minus 4x hat plus W. And due to this, and for x hat, I will have x hat dot equal, so minus for x hat due to this, plus W due to this, but y is equal to 4x. So I will have here 4x. So this is my closed loop system. This with input W and output y is equivalent. These two systems are equivalent. Okay. So the evolution matrix of the closed loop system is 3 minus 4, 4 minus 5. If I compute the eigenvalues, I do not do it here, but if I compute the eigenvalues of this closed loop, of this evolution matrix, I will obtain minus 1, because it is the value I have placed just before. And it is a consequence of the separation matrix, which tells me that if I place independently the eigenvalues for the controller and for observer, then there will no interaction once I have the closed loop with the observer working with the controller.